Okay, I just put all those spices that was on the picture on here, put a coating on it, and I put it in the oven 375 for 30 minutes fast. You can see it right there. And after 30 minutes I'll go ahead, take it out, and make a sauce of these two things: soy sauce, hot sauce, and brush it on the meat. After 30 minutes I'll take it out, and I set up the time on the oven. 30 minutes. It's now 27 minutes left, and this is on 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm cooking right there. Yep. Okay, here our pork ribs, they're cooking. It's been 27 minutes in there. You can see how they look like, and it's left 3 minutes. I had set it up at 30 minutes, back 375. Now I already prepared my sauce, which is a mixture of 1/3 of soy sauce, 2/3 of hot sauce, and I've got the brush waiting, and I'm going to brush this on the meat on both sides. I'll take it out, put it on the stove, brush it on the meat, and put it back in there for another 30 minutes. And sometimes you have to keep checking it because it's different with the amount, the cut of the meat. I've got 7 pounds in there, about 3.5 pounds in each pan. As you saw, there's 2 pounds in there of pork ribs. Our pork ribs are out. There's no bones in this. This is out. No bone. So it's cooked for 30 minutes, and now we're gonna put these, the yummy stuff. You see, as I can just do. Normally I hold the cup with my hand, and I'm just gonna show you guys, but I might make a mess here. So I'm just gonna continue doing that on all the meat, and I will show you after. I went ahead and put the oven on 400 degrees for the last 13 minutes. It's now 9 minutes left, but this is how it's looking in there. It's still cooking. Here's the results of the pork ribs. They're done. I used the smaller pans today so the kind of hold some juices, didn't evaporate as much, but this is good. This is gonna be good stuff. Can't wait to eat that. But you see the yellow is the curry. I use curry powder. That's what's making the sides I didn't intend.
You do that button?
Beautiful.
You do that?
There is the delicious pork. Eating it with asparagus. Nice tender pork ribs. Delicious.